So you want to know what to put on your lawn and when to put it down. Step one is to download the free Yard Mastery app. It's going to give you a semi-custom program based on where you live. Also looks at some data from soil temperatures as well as timing and things like that. And then just recently added, you can get a fully custom program based on the Yard Mastery soil test. You might have soil test results already in the app because you had a past test, or you may be getting a new test. Either way, now when you go into the hamburger menu and click around on your soil test, you can actually activate a custom program that is based on the needs of your soil. So it will give you the granular fertilizers to apply during the year based on the needs of your soil from what the soil test revealed. Now, one little bit of confusion we are getting is that those of you that have been on the semi-custom program, it's pretty simple. It will tell you to do certain fertilizers in the spring and the summer, and a lot of you have been conditioned to think that certain things can only be applied in the summer or only be applied in the spring, but that is not the case. We were just giving you the best program we could based on the information we had, which was grass type and location and soil temperature. Now that we have your soil test data, we can make a more custom program based on what your soil needs, and that will take precedence over grass type or where you live because we know what fertilizers you need, so we're going to recommend those to help amend your soil. Think of it like someone recommending to you to eat the standard American diet, but then once you go to your doctor and you get blood work, they may adjust your diet based on that. This is exactly the same approach. And that brings us back to some concerns some people have, for example, putting down flagship in the summer if you have cool season grass. Well, if your soil needs that, that's what we're going to recommend. Just realize you're not going to burn anything. People have this fear of burning the lawn, but granular fertilizers are not going to burn the lawn. And in fact, even flagship, which is our highest nitrogen fertilizer, when you look at the application rates, I keep them low on purpose. It's a spoon feed program. It's only 3/4 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 following the bag rate. So it's not that much. So there's no concern there. Just realize we're going after fixing the soil now because we have that extra data. So all of the other data points, they are not as important as what your soil needs. So stick to the plan, trust the process, keep watering and mowing, and I'll see you in the lawn.